Hello Delhi, Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Delhi-based Kushwaha families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Kushwaha marriage bureau cum Kushwaha wedding planners in Delhi. A Kushwaha marriage bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows, physically disabled females, as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. A Kushwaha marriage bureau in Delhi for elite and middle class families passionate about technology and want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Kushwaha bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding menu, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything, from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Delhi. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. A symbol of the country's rich past and thriving present, Delhi is a city where ancient and modern blend seamlessly together. It is a place that not only touches your pulse but even fastens it to a frenetic speed. Home to millions of dreams, the city takes on unprecedented responsibilities of realizing dreams, bringing people closer and inspiring their thoughts. The city has much to celebrate as it has already reached the milestone of completing 100 years as a capital. With a history that goes back many centuries, Delhi showcases an ancient culture and a rapidly modernizing country. Dotted with monuments, there is much to discover here, the seat of many powerful empires in the past. Its long history can be traced in its many carefully preserved monuments, ancient forts and tombs. All this is combined with the best features of a modern city such as a metro system, bustling markets and fabulous eating places. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Delhi, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Delhi. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Kushwaha life partner in Delhi has been taken up by Kushwaha marriage bureaus or Kushwaha marriage consultancy in Delhi. Today I will introduce you a Kushwaha matrimonial service provider in Delhi which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Kushwaha families in Delhi for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Delhi, but the marriage bureau in Delhi who have changed the concept of Kushwaha partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Delhi. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am telling you what the Kushwaha family looking for in their search for a bride groom in Delhi. Yes, they keep to match with people of similar status. They also look for personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Kushwaha matchmaking services in Delhi. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Delhi to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivering. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Delhi. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Delhi. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they recommend us to their colleagues in Delhi. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1. We do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2. We have the large Kushwaha database of profiles in Delhi and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Delhi. Number 3. Our Kushwaha matchmaking services in Delhi fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Delhi. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Kushwaha matchmaking process in Delhi. At the same time, if you know someone who is widow or physically disabled female or economically weak family who is struggling to find best room for their daughters and sisters, please share this video or inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free to them. I am Pragati. They can directly call me on 8828952895. Again, I am repeating the number 8828952895. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.